Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and most useful products for modern living. Today, we're talking about what we believe is the best nursing pillow for ergonomic feeding support, the Momcozy Original Nursing Pillow. Whether you're a new mom or shopping for a thoughtful baby shower gift, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with what makes this pillow stand out right away: ergonomic support. The Momcozy Nursing Pillow is designed with both mom and baby in mind. It ensures an easy deep latch for the baby, which means fewer feeding challenges and more comfort from day one. For moms, this pillow significantly eases shoulder and neck strain by encouraging better posture during nursing or bottle feeding. That makes each feeding session not just easier but more relaxing, even during those late-night feeds. Now, what really sets the Momcozy pillow apart from other nursing pillows is its pioneering, safety fence design. Inspired by a mother's natural embrace, this built-in feature gently cradles your baby, preventing any slipping while feeding. So even if you're multitasking, answering a message, sipping water, or just resting your hand, you can feel secure knowing your baby is supported safely and comfortably. Another major highlight is the pillow's wider, plus-size design. It's larger than many alternatives, measuring 28.3 inches long, 18.1 inches wide, and nearly 8 inches high. This wider layout gives moms more arm support, especially during longer feeding sessions. Plus, with the adjustable waist strap, it fits most body types and stays securely in place. That means no awkward shifting or readjusting while you're trying to feed your little one. What's more, this pillow isn't limited to nursing. It grows with your baby. In the early days, it helps with feeding, but as your baby hits milestones, it becomes a supportive prop for tummy time at 3 months, a comfy cushion for learning to sit around 6 to 9 months, and more. Just remember, it's meant to be used only while baby is awake and under adult supervision. Another thing to love? The removable cotton cover. It's soft, breathable, and washable, perfect for all the inevitable spills. The pillow is filled with polyester for a mix of softness and structure, giving it a balance that feels cozy yet supportive. Finally, let's talk about giftability. This pillow isn't just a tool, it's a nursery must-have. It makes a practical and thoughtful gift for new parents, and it even helps other caregivers hold the baby with more confidence and comfort. One quick note: because it comes vacuum-packed for shipping, the pillow might appear flat out of the box. Just give it a good fluff and let it sit for 48 hours so it can expand fully before using it. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a nursing pillow that offers unmatched ergonomic support, a secure design, versatility as your baby grows, and an adjustable, mom-friendly fit, the Momcozy Original Nursing Pillow is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our deep dives into the best products out there. See you next time.